Installation and operation of ultrasonic pyrolysis spray machine. Installing the liquid tank. Tighten the screws at both ends. Connect the syringe pump water pipe. Connecting the syringe. Unscrew and loosen the syringe plate. Installing the syringe. Tighten the screws. Connect the air pipe. Connect the syringe pump power cord, white point to white point. Press in. Just tighten. Connect the air compressor power supply. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open the air compressor valve. After connecting the power cord, turn on the main power switch. Power on the device. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Open the door. Place the sample. Close the door. Open the tank cover. Pour in the liquid to be used. Close the lid. Manual extraction of liquids. Click Injection Parameters. Click the Forward button. Observe when the syringe pump plunger hits the syringe. Click Stop. Enter parameters according to actual situation. Enter the syringe ID. Enter the total injection volume. Enter injection time. Enter the injection volume. This injection speed will be automatically calculated based on the time and injection volume. Click Manual Mode to set the center coordinates. Adjust the center point position. Keep the center point in the middle. Record the x-axis and y-axis coordinate values at this time. Corresponding input x-axis coordinate value. Enter the y-axis coordinate value. Click Parameter Settings. Click to set the z-axis working position. These two input values have the length and width of the sample respectively. For example, the sample length is 100. Need to enter 50. Width is 100. Need to enter 50. Click to set the number of spraying times. For example, R times. Click to start spraying. The spraying process can be observed. After spraying, the nozzle will automatically return to the initial position. If heating is needed, click on Parameter Settings. Setting the heating rate. Maximum input 10. Set the target temperature. The hair stays 150. Click to start heating. When the actual temperature reaches the target temperature, the sample stage will maintain a constant temperature. The experiment is completed.